Huh? Hey, what's up, guys? Soul Reaper here, and today I'm gonna be playing Nerf Wars with my cousin. And there he is. I'll shoot the camera, fool. And like and subscribe to the video if you're new. So yeah, we're playing. We're gonna have one bullet in each of our weapons. I'm using my hand cannon. He's using a goddamn crossbow. So let's get started. Okay, go on this side. Go on this side. This is very hard. That bullet didn't fire. You look really close. Did it miss? Oh my god, did it miss? Did it miss?
No.
No, it hit you?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were gonna fire at me. Why is this backyard so damn dirty? Hey, hold on. I need a GoPro. Dude! I need a GoPro camera. Hashtag GoPro camera. What's up, dog meat? Let me shoot you. Let me shoot you in the butt.
What we should do next.
Yeah, comment what we should do next. Probably not with my cousin, but you know. Shit. Okay. This is very awkward aiming. Goddamn. I hate this goddamn hand cannon, man.
Got you.
No, ah! He did get me, but there it goes. Stupid. I don't get that.